In upholding its original decision, the Supreme Court also affirmed that its ruling does not absolve VP Sara Duterte of the offenses she is accused of committing. The court's decision was based on procedural grounds and did not rule on the merits of the allegations against VP Sara. Kaya nga, pwedeng magsampa uli ng impeachment case laban kay VP Sara, even with the same substantive grounds contained in last year's complaint. However, while it basically rests on technicalities, the resolution denying the motion for reconsideration appears to be a derogation of the House's constitutional powers and prerogatives. Ang nagkapareho dun sa main decision or original decision at sa resolution ngayon at nakakabahala pa rin, tulad sa naunang desisyon, may paglihis ang Korte Suprema sa letra at diwang nasa saligang batas ukol sa pantay at magkahiwalay na kapangyarihan ng hudikatura at lehislatura. As the latest SC ruling closes several doctrinal loopholes in its original decision, the court also took the opportunity presented by the motion for reconsideration to restructure, refurbish, and refine novel doctrinal pronouncements via an addendum to the original ponentia. As such, this second decision appears to me as not merely a denial of the MR or an affirmation of the original decision. It reads like an altogether new decision, but with the same result. By redefining what constitutes the initiation of impeachment and by converting legislative inaction into a constitutionally operative act, the court has crossed from interpretation into legislation. It is judicial legislation, well-intentioned perhaps, but constitutionally infirm, because it straitjackets a co-equal branch through judicial overreach. The Supreme Court has not merely reviewed the House's compliance with clear constitutional commands, it has rewritten the operating manual for impeachment initiation. It has supplied new rules, new timelines, and new consequences that are nowhere found in the text. The effect is to discipline the procedure that the Constitution left for Congress to decide. This sets a very dangerous precedent that weakens separation of powers by transforming impeachment from a political safeguard into a judicially managed process, contrary to the design and spirit of the Constitution.